Start speaking English.
তুমি আমার কে?
Who are you to me? Who are you to me?
এরপরে কে?
Who is next? Who is next?
গ্লাসটি কে ভেঙেছে?
Who broke the glass? Who broke the glass?
আপনি কে?
Who are you? Who are you?
এই আর কি।
What else? What else?
তুমি কি আসছো?
Are you coming? Are you coming?
তুমি কি ব্যস্ত?
Are you busy? Are you busy?
তুমি কি পাগল?
Are you crazy? Are you crazy?
তুমি কি খুশি?
Are you happy? Are you happy?
তুমি কি দুঃখী?
Are you feeling sad? Are you feeling sad? Okay, this is my plans. That's why I talk English about you guys. Okay, then you learn speaking English again. Okay, bye bye.